This one's going to be a quick one. I'm going to do a third pickup, except this one is going to be an ability pickup. So this is going to give us some sort of special ability. So I'm just going to come in and duplicate our damage pickup. And I'm going to call this BP underscore ability pickup. I'm going to double click on that. I'm going to go to the viewport and I'm going to change the mesh on this. So I'm going to set these values all back to 100. Sorry, I meant 0. Keep that at 100. Actually, I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to do sphere. Set that to 100. This is just a placeholder. You may have a model, but I'm just doing this for now, just because I don't have any other anything else. I'm going to come and give it a material. I don't know what to give it. I'll give it this arrow material, so it's blue. Yeah, okay. I like that. So, in here, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make this one give our player additional jumps. So it'll be like a double jump. Or even like a triple or quadruple jump. So I'm going to delete this code here that says about damaging our character because I don't want it to do that. And this one's a little bit simpler. So off of here, I'm going to get the jump max count. So this is the amount of times our player can jump. And I'm going to drag off of here and I'm going to type plus plus, also known as incrementing, which just means that it's going to add 1 to it. You can also do minus minus and it does a decrement, and that means it just takes 1 away from it. And then off of here, I'm going to do set max jump count. Ooh, move that out of the way. To be that new number there. So now, when we pick up this pickup, I'll plug that into destroy actor. Now when we pick up this one, let's sprinkle a couple around. Put one on there, why not? Now when we pick this one up, so right now I can only jump once. Pick this one up, I can jump twice. So 1, 2. And then this one, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. So we've got a nice little ability pickup there.